Okay, so we have this scooter here. All you need is the Allen keys, which you get along with the scooter, and a Phillips screwdriver. You open with a 4mm Allen key over here. You pull out the handlebar, disconnect the wire. That's it. Now you grab your Phillips screwdriver and undo these two screws over here. Now there is one more screw which is all the way inside here, so you need a long nose screwdriver, but it's pretty easy to unscrew. You just have to do it enough that the display will start coming out. Even if it is not coming out, you can still see the display will come out. So once the display is out, you have this main cable coming out from the stem, one cable for the brake, one cable for the throttle, and one for the light. You only need to, if you want to replace the display, you disconnect all of them and replace the display. If you only need to replace the throttle, so you disconnect the throttle. You can disconnect everything if it's possible. Yeah, set it aside. Now we remove the throttle from here. So now you need a 3mm Allen, and you undo these X screws. Sometimes they can be tight. Once done, you can just easily remove them. Now you can just pull out the whole handlebar assembly along with the cable. Now once out, there is one more screw on the throttle itself, which is right over here underneath it. So you can remove this rubber cap, and you have this is probably 3mm again. You just need to lose it and it will come out. Now you grab the new throttle. So again, this is a faulty one. You will just grab a new one. So now I put the new throttle in. You tighten this screw just enough so you can work on it. You don't have to tighten it all the way up right now. Now you push the cable inside from this hole. It might need some trick to do it, but it can be done. So the cable is in. You put the handlebar in as well. Just make sure these holes align with the holes beneath it. So you just have to rotate it enough that you will start seeing the holes here. Now you connect. That's it. Now you connect a new display as well. If you see the display is the problem, you have received the display, you connect all the connections back in its position and turn on the scooter and see if it is working. Now since this display is fine, only the throttle is the problem, we'll reconnect this back. Now before closing it, what we like to do is test if everything is working fine. So you just grab the cable from inside the stem, reconnect it, and make sure you align these lines properly and connect it. turn it on. It's working, all good. Now you can disconnect it, put the line back through this stem, put the screws back in. Just make sure none of the wires get caught in the holes here. Once you press it down, it will come out. So there you have it. The cable is here. You can still grab it with a screw. Put the display screws first in. And now you can follow the whole thing in reverse. That's it.